Let's look at minute 45. Circle the collective noun in each sentence. A collective noun is in a class all their own. So an example would be herd, jury, team, army, family, group. So let's look at number 1. The audience cheered when I finished my song, audience. A couple of doves are sitting on that tree. I'm going to go ahead and circle this whole thing. Couple of doves. A cluster of students gathered to see the experiment. Cluster of students. Mrs. Cooper has a collection of crystal figures. We're going to go with collection. A colony of ants built many anthills in my yard. It's actually colony, and here cluster would be the main one and couple would be the main one. A mob of kangaroos traveled together to find water. It's a mob. My portfolio of pictures won second place in the photo contest. Portfolio. The police squad chased the bank robbers. The squad. A school of fish swam together in the ocean. School. The chess team was excited to win first place. Team. Let's turn the paper over and look at math. The area of this shape. Well, with area, we take the length times the width, and we get our answer. 9 times 6 is 54. 11 times 6 is 66. Because if you remember, anything times 11 is that number twice. So 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 4 is 44. So 11 times 6 is 66. And we time up here, and we subtract down here, which is 0. 5 cannot be taken from 7, so we borrow from the 1. 1 becomes a 0, and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 8 we can't do. We borrow from the 7, becomes a 6. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8, and bring down my 6. 1, 2, 3, comma. There are 12 pencils in a box. Each pencil costs a nickel. If Henry wants to buy the whole box, how much money does he need? Well, we know a nickel is 5 cents. So we go 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So he needs 60 cents. You could also count by 5s 12 times. You'll get the same number, 60. 7 plus 7 is 14, carry the 1. 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry the 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9. 7 times 2 is 14. Then we go to the next row. Remember, we add a 0. And then we go 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And then we're going to add it all together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. The range goes by subtracting the biggest number from the smallest number. So 150 minus 50, biggest number, smallest number, is going to give us 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 is going to give us 100. 4, 6 is the same as 1, 2 out of 3, 2/3. We can check this by saying 2 times 2 is 4, and what I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. 9/18 is the same as 1/2. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Again, what I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. 6/18 is the same as 1 out of 3. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So all of those check. Please show your work with the multiplication also. Show your teacher.
put it in your cubby, and go to Lexia Core 5.